Hi, we're going to have a quick conversation today about 3 ways that we can update our hallway for under £50, under £200 and under £1,000. So we're going to have a look at how we can change our stairs for under £50. £50, it probably doesn't seem like a lot, or that we can change a lot for £50, but you might be surprised. Rip up the old carpet. Let's paint those treads and risers. Let's give it a fresh look. You can get decals that you can stick on your stairs, giving it a completely different feel. Something like changing the caps on your newel posts. Caps are an easy yet effective way of upgrading the look of your stairs. Let's paint your spindles. Just simply giving them a refresh or painting them in a different colour can change it dramatically. And simply giving your walls a lick of paint, it can change the look of a room, your hallway, straight away. Or a pine handrail at 3.6 metres, roughly the length of a staircase, can be bought for around £35 from us at Jackson Woodturners. You know, there's a bit of money left in that budget, so you could change the handrail on your stairs. So these are just a few quick tips that you could do to upgrade your hallway, your staircase for under £50. Okay, we're going to look to change our staircase and our hallway, and our budget this time is £200 or under. There's a bit more to play with. Let's see what we can do. Like the under £50, we can look to change the carpet. Pull that carpet up. If some of those treads are not looking too great, we sell MDF replacement treads for as little as £5.50 each. Easily achievable within that £200 budget. Let's look to change the hardware. If you've got a wall-mounted handrail, let's look to change the brackets, the ends. If there's a bit of money left in the pot, we could even change that mopstick handrail and upgrade it to a new one. Let's start linking the metal on your hardware on your stairs to door handles, light switches in the house. Let's give the walls a refresh. And I don't just mean painting. We could maybe look to put some wallpaper up or wood paneling. It's all on trend nowadays, and it's easily available online or from DIY stores. And hallway storage. That makes a massive difference. Let's invest in some coat hooks, some furniture to store our odds and sods, our coats, our shoes in. Let's tidy up the hallway. That will make a massive difference to your hallway and your staircase. I hope you found this interesting. Let's see what we can do for under £1,000. Okay, we've now got £1,000. What can we do to our stairs and our hallway? We can do a lot. Here at Jackson Woodturners, you can buy all the parts and the components that you need from us to change your staircase. Even something what people would class as premium in oak can be bought, and I'm talking a handrail, a base rail, your spindles, your newels, your caps. You can get that from us for under £1,000. I will be realistic. I'm not talking about this being fitted. That is something that you would need to look at yourself. A joiner roughly costs about £900 a day. So have a look. Is this something that you can do yourself and keep it under that £1,000 budget? Let's look to change the carpet again, but this time we could look at putting a runner in. You can look at stores online, on Etsy, on Dunelm. They are selling ready-made staircase runners, which are easily affordable and change the look of your staircase. Like before, we can now go full hog. We can do the stair paneling. We can do the wallpapering. We've got an £1,000 budget. So if you're not sure, give us a call, drop us an email. We're here to help, and that dream staircase may be more affordable than you actually think. We've got something to suit every budget. We're just waiting to hear from you.